Last Friday for the Wall Street was a lackluster and a mixed kind of session because of the job data, and we have seen volatility. And I have said this thing, on on my last video, which I have uh, posted on last Friday, and you can see the similar kind of price movement in all the major indices. And because we have officially entered into the last month of calendar year 2020, and basically December is always a month where the volumes are extremely less, and going forward for the next 2 or 3 weeks or 4 weeks till January 10th, you will see very less volumes as far as the overall Wall Street is concerned. So all the things has happened, but one good thing, instead of volatility, instead of a huge volatility that we have seen in the market, at least the stock market or overall indices bounced back. And what we can see over here is the major trend remains the same. Okay, so there is no change in the trend, and the overall trend is the same. So that's a very good thing that we have seen. So now let us see what lies ahead for Dow Jones going forward, as well as S&P and Nasdaq. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel yet, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notifications. So what do we have here? First of all, your stop loss at 34,346, your immediate target of 34,476, and your big target of 34,612. Now, for mind you that first of all, one must not go below or keep on carrying any long position below 34,346. It is very much important, and you have two immediate upside, 34,476 and 34,612. These two, along with your immediate target, are also your resistance level. So please do not go below these two, or please make sure that the Dow Jones Industrial Average is indeed holding above these two levels. And once it started trading above 34,612, the move towards 35,200, or in between 35,200 and 35,500, will officially start. So this is something that we are going to look at as far as Dow Jones is concerned. Now talking about the Nasdaq is literally flat. I mean, couple of points here and there, but Nasdaq have also the similar kind of price movement. You can see, and you can actually measure the kind of price movement we have seen in Dow Jones and Nasdaq, and I think you will find the similar kind of price action even in S&P 500. And all these are very similar, maybe couple of points here and there. So for Nasdaq, please do not go below your stop loss, which is 11,439. As in Dow Jones we have the similar kind of things for Nasdaq as well, where we have 11,516 and 11,555, which are going to be the two immediate targets on the upside. And only if it is very much important for Nasdaq to sustain above 11,555, and if that happens, the next big swing or range that we are going to look at, will be in between 11,900 and 12,100 or 12,150 on the upside. So this is the swing that we should focus on as far as Nasdaq is concerned. So in both the cases, there is a potential swing on the upside. If in case of Nasdaq or Dow Jones, once the immediate resistance been taken off. The last but not at all the least, the most stable one, SPX or S&P 500, and as you can see, as I have said, similar kind of price movement, because what I'm looking at is the minute chart, which will guide you for Monday session or 5th of December 2022 session. So for SPX also you have similar kind of price action, and this is called a sync. Okay, each and every indices, whether you're talking about S&P 500, Dow Jones and Nasdaq, each of it is showing similar kind of trend. There is a difference in point, number, the levels are different, but the trend is same. So for S&P 500, 4063 is going to be your stop loss. Please don't go below that. On the upside you have 4087 and 4099 as far as two immediate target and your big resistance. And hopefully if SPX 500, S&P 500 or SPX started trading above 4100, we will focus on a range which is in between, or which will be in between 4200 and 4250 on the upside. So all this indices in the shortest term or in the intraday trading session is indeed looking like it is, or all of these are on the verge of a potential breakout going forward. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.